Fellas, I want to do a short little video how this exhaust brake works, right? There's a pretty steep downhill. Short one, but it's up ahead. So we got tow haul on, so it'll give you the most aggressive gearing or whatever, the most aggressive approach, right? It'll downshift as aggressively as Ford allows it. What I want to show you in this video is how the Ford exhaust brake works. I'll show you when I get off the throttle what it does, and when it decides to do it, what it does. So also in the tow haul, you see the pitch, right? We're at 0. So I'm off the throttle at 27, right? Yes, it's still boosting, but I'm off the throttle, 26. Now we're going to start going downhill. See, -2? Nothing. Oh, no. Yeah, let's start decelling, right? So in this video, what I wanted to underline is that Ford fully controls it. Even though we're in manual, guys, this would be perfectly fine if I had the auto selected. But when I'm in manual, I want my manual selection. I want the full beans. Pretty much what the Ram does. So Ford is scratching their head what they could do on 2025s and 26s. I know you're going to give us the same body style, but hey, give us... Now I have to intervene. It's a little too quick. So it's 27, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm going to bring it down to, let's say, 21. So I'm off the brakes. It's a V8 thing. It's still boosting and exhaust braking. It's just the way the system works. We're at negative, watch that numbers, right? We're at -5. So when it sees the pitch, it'll slow down. So mechanically, it has everything it needs. Right now we're on the flats. Nothing changed. I didn't get on the throttle. I'm completely off the throttle, right? I did not do anything. I still want it running, but it's not running. Well, hold on a second. It's gonna feel like it's gonna excel, and now it's gonna kick in. And you're gonna say, Paul, it's a third gear thing. No, guys. I was quote unquote overlanding in the past with this Ford. It's hard to say. Just dirt trails, right? Right? Nothing's changing. I'm not on the brakes. It's just off the throttle. It's still doing its own thing. When it sees the downhill, it'll slow you down. I'm still not on the brakes. So what are you complaining about, Paul? It kept you alive, and that's what it did. Guys, on the flats, you're SOL, right? I'm off the throttle. Okay, and what's the point of having that manual? So that's what I'm trying to say. Ford, if you're listening, please distinguish your manual and auto. Your manual, theoretically, it kicks in when you get off the throttle, but it has a mind of its own. There's no reliability. There's no predictability. We, the professional drivers, we buy these trucks. We buy these trucks to feed our families. We buy these trucks for profit, right? Meaning we're going to utilize them and make money off of them. We're going to work these trucks. My TRX is a far more funner truck than this thing will ever be, just bobtailing around town. So I bought this truck to work it. As a professional driver, I want that exhaust brake on when I want it on. Ask any trucker. When they throw their jakes on, they want them on, okay? You know, truckers have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and then they have their auto set. What I'm asking you Ford to do is please, when we put on manual, give us manual mode. And when we select auto, give us auto. This is perfect, fine behavior for auto, but it's a waste of time for manual setting. Hopefully I've been clear. I also want to talk about a couple other things. Well, I'm going to save it for another video. Keep these videos short. Anyways, guys, I'm going to make another video about over-the-air tuning. People have been complaining the Ram's doing over-air tuning. Man, this thing just got updated, and it's a good update. I'll do a video on it in another video. Heck, I might even do it right now, right after I'm done with this one. As always, guys, I finally have that little opportunity to show you guys. And then how do you get away with that message, right? You cannot... I lied. I was going to say, typically you open and close the door and it'll go away. Sometimes it won't. There you have it. Opening and closing the door typically gets rid of it, but I wish Ford would... that's cool. That is phenomenal, right? You let the driver know, but once he sits back, or okay, get rid of that screen. Here, Dave, buckle up. Or unbuckle. Right? That's it. You are dead in the water, and this retardation needs to quit, Ford. I get it. Someone unbuckled. Move on with life. Give me my gauges back. Nope. You're not going to get anything back. And it's a 50-50 shot. I think it's because I'm at a standstill. If I'd be driving, I wouldn't. Well, you can't really open your door. Anyways, guys, I'm done ranting. I was just had an opportunity to show you guys what I'm talking about. And yes, professional drivers absolutely hate it, and it's just what it is. And the way you're gonna know if it's auto, it's just gonna have the little A there. See that? Automatic exhaust brakes, the next stage. Anyways, as always, may the Lord bless you. May you all mighty fine day, and let me know in the comment section. Ciao. Bye.